Hi, this is Jim from High Tech Trader. Today we're looking at a Thermcraft tube furnace model 391ZVST. It's got a temperature max of 1200 degrees C. The internal dimension of the tube is 3 inches in diameter by 13 inches in length. 3.5 inch thickness on the insulation. Comes with a temperature controller. See the temperature rising. Right back. Runs on 120 volts, 20 amps, 1400 watts. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 609-518-9100. Thank you from HighTechTrader.com.